So starting a YouTube channel was one of the best things I did for myself because it really helped me open my eyes when it came to how to really gain an audience and how to really just have online presence, because I had never done that before. What's up, good people? Welcome and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Alex at Defined by Alex, and in today's video I want to talk about the reality of starting a YouTube channel, okay? Real, uncut things that you need to know as a beginner so that way you are set up for success on this platform. So just like starting a new job or any new venture that you want to dive into, there are some realities I feel that you need to know so that way you can be successful when it comes to making money, growing your online presence, getting brand deals, or anything that you correlate, okay, when it comes to being successful with YouTube. So today's video is going to be focused on just that and some advice for any new YouTubers who are just getting started. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first reality when it comes to making YouTube content is that it is going to take some time, okay? So you want to make sure that you are assessing your time management when it comes to making quality content, even if you're just getting started, especially if you're brand new and you've never made content before. It's going to take you some time, okay? So this is not going to be something that you can do in 30 minutes or less, okay, when it comes to making content and YouTube videos, especially if you want to last, because of all the intricacies when it comes to YouTube. So learning how to make thumbnails, learning how to edit your videos, learning on what type of lane you're going to start in when it comes to making your videos, all of that takes time. So what I need you to know is that your time management is going to have to be assessed, especially if you're juggling more than one thing, if you're coming from your 9 to 5, if you want to do something on the side, if you're just in school, wherever you are, you want to make sure that you are making time to create your videos so that way, again, you set yourself up for success. The next reality when it comes to starting your YouTube channel is that your videos are not going to be perfect off the bat, okay? They are going to be cringy. They are going to be low quality or whatever quality you can provide at the time, but they are not going to be crisp, curated, that butter style of video, okay? So you want to make sure that you are preparing yourself to practice on camera. If you've never filmed a YouTube video, what makes you think you're going to come off looking like an expert, okay? So I want you to just know that the reality of it is that you're gonna have to practice when it comes to getting over your camera shyness, when it comes to being comfortable knowing that you are talking to a camera and not a real person, okay? That's what it is. A lot of us, even myself, started off feeling weird, okay? Started off like, dang, like I'm only talking to this camera can't talk back to me, okay? But that's how you practice. You have to really embody this camera like you talking to somebody that's in front of you, a real live person. So I say all that to say that it's gonna feel a little cringy. It's gonna feel a little weird, but if you're committed to growing your online space, your online presence, then you gonna do it, okay? You gonna show up, you gonna get past that shyness, and it takes practice. Trust me, all of the YouTubers that you see that were successful, they all started off with cringy, crusty videos, honey, even myself. So the reality of when it comes to being on camera is that you're gonna have some cringy videos in the beginning, but that is okay. You're gonna get past that because the more you practice, the better you get. The third reality when it comes to starting a YouTube channel is that you're not gonna make no money off the gate. Now, let me just specify, you're not going to make AdSense money, which is the money that YouTubers like myself and many other creators who are monetized and who are a part of the YouTube partner program, that's how we make money when it comes to just being on the platform alone. When you are just getting started, you're not going to be monetized. So what I want you to know off the gate is just know that you just have to start working for free for a little bit when it comes to making your videos, because until you get accepted into the YouTube partner program, then everything before that you will not be making money. So I want you to know that unless you're doing like affiliate marketing where you have a specific, link and people can shop your link and you receive a commission, you ain't gonna be making no money on YouTube when you first get started. And I need you to know that now, so that way you have a real life expectation. That way you're not being disappointed. That way you're not being discouraged when it comes to making videos, because it takes time to make money on YouTube. So basically, don't expect to make a single dollar on AdSense. Don't be quick to quit your job, okay? Unless you see YouTube really bringing in the money to where it's covering all of your expenses. I just want y'all to know that YouTube gonna pay you some money, but it's not gonna be in the beginning. You have to work for what you want to make on YouTube. That's how we all are getting it, okay? And also be sure, if you guys want me to like drop some type of analytics on being monetized, sharing my YouTube earnings, go ahead and leave a comment down below for me so that way I can make a separate video on how much I make as a micro influencer here on YouTube. I'd be happy to share, but let me know if you want a video like that so that way you can see the type of earnings, you know, micro influencers make here on YouTube. Okay, so the last reality I want to share with you might make you uncomfortable, but I'm here to help you and I want you to be successful, so I gotta go ahead and say it. If you are not staying consistent on YouTube, you cannot expect to make 50,000 subscribers overnight, okay? The thing with YouTube is that consistency plays a tremendous part in your success on this platform. Now, although there are different factors when it comes to content, your thumbnails, your titles, your keywords, all of that is important. But if you are not staying consistent, then none of those other metrics matter when it comes to your success on YouTube. You have to be married to consistency. You have to be committed into filming as much as you want to, as far as whatever your schedule allows when it comes to showing up on this platform, because there are a lot of us on this platform and the algorithm is putting in that work to push out the videos that people are watching. So when it comes to staying consistent, that's gonna have to be something that you are married to. You're gonna have to attach it, okay, to yourself like the cream inside of the Oreo. You're gonna have to be bonded to consistency when it comes to growing on YouTube. Now let me just say this, it is not easy staying consistent, okay? Consistency is by far the most important and the hardest thing to do when it comes to growing in anything that you do, but specifically on YouTube. So when it comes to consistency, I'll be the first one to say that I know it's not easy, but it all depends on how much do you want this, how successful do you want to be, where do you see YouTube, you know, doing for you. Like I said in the beginning of this video, YouTube has changed my life that I can't even imagine, and so that's why I know what it really takes to be successful on this platform. Alright, good people, so that wraps up the reality of starting a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter if you are having really great ideas, it doesn't matter if you really have great thumbnails and titles, if you're not staying consistent, if you're not setting real expectations, if you're not willing to grow with the platform, because the platform changes, okay, then you're gonna already have disappointment because you're not being real with yourself when it comes to this ever-growing platform. So if you like videos like this, then be sure to leave me a like and comment down below. I want to hear from you. I want to know if you're struggling with starting your YouTube channel and what are things that you need to stay consistent with, so that way I can make more videos to help you out. But as always, subscribe if you're liking the vibe. Don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and choose yourself first, and I'll be back in my next video. Bye, y'all. Oh, hey friend, thank you so much for watching. But listen, if you have time, I encourage you to watch my next video so that way you can define your life, learn something new, or just catch the vibe, and I'll see you in my next one.